Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Noco Genius Gen 5 X3, a compact yet extremely powerful 3-bank 15-amp onboard marine charger, designed for boats, RVs, and multi-battery systems that demand reliability and safety. Taking a short pause, alright, let's jump into it. 1. 3 independent charging banks. The Gen 5 X3 gives you 5 amps per bank, totaling 15 amps. This is perfect for setups with trolling motors, Start Plus house battery systems, electronics heavy boats, triple battery fishing decks. 2. Supports all major chemistries. Works with AGM, gel, flooded lead acid, deep cycle batteries, LiFePO4 lithium batteries. This makes it future-proof if you upgrade to lithium later. 3. True onboard marine-grade waterproofing. With an IP68 rating, the Gen 5 X3 is fully waterproof, dustproof, and built for saltwater exposure. Once installed, it stays on the boat permanently, no need to remove it. 4. Advanced microprocessor charging. The charger uses multi-stage charging technology that analyzes, desulfates, charges, optimizes, and maintains each battery independently. 5. Automatic temperature compensation. This is critical for boats that experience large temperature swings. The charger adjusts voltage automatically to prevent heat-related overcharging or cold weather undercharging. 6. Overcharge-proof smart design. You can leave it connected forever. The charger switches to maintenance mode automatically, protecting batteries during long-term storage or off-season parking. 7. Force mode for 0V batteries. If a battery is below 1V and most chargers fail to detect it, force mode manually starts the charge, great for recovering deeply drained trolling motor batteries. 8. More power in a smaller body. Noco shrunk the Gen 5 series by about 40% while actually boosting charging performance. It mounts easily inside tight compartments. Taking a small pause, and if you're wondering, yes, I've reviewed Noco Gen chargers before, and the Gen 5 X3 consistently ranks as one of the best in the marine category. 9. Made for serious boaters. Ideal for fishing boats, bass boats, offshore rigs, pontoon boats, dual/triple battery systems, boats with multiple electronics. 10. Final thoughts. The Noco Gen 5 X3 offers excellent charging accuracy, rugged build quality, and unmatched reliability. If you run multiple batteries on your boat, this charger is hands down one of the top upgrades you can invest in. Hey guys, welcome.